Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create an element and then add things to it, such as classes, IDs, attributes. We can create an element and then insert it into the DOM. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to add an extra list item at the bottom here. It's going to include the text node, list item, or whatever we put for the text. It's also going to include the link right here with the icon. Alright, so we're going to go into our app.js, and first thing we need to do is create the element. Alright, so in JavaScript we actually have document.createElement, which will basically create an element from scratch. So I'm going to create a variable called li, set it to document.createElement, and the element that we want to create is an li. Okay. So it's an li element, and let's go ahead and add a class to this. Actually, you know what I'll do is console.log it down here so you can see exactly what it looks like. So right now it's just an li. So if we want to add a class to it, we can say li.className, and we want to give it a class of collection-item to match the rest of the LIs. Now if we save that, you'll see that now the li has the class of collection item. If we wanted to add an ID, which we don't have to, these ones don't have IDs, but just to show you we can say li.id equals, and we'll just call this new item and save, and now you can see it has an ID. So we can construct DOM elements from scratch with vanilla JavaScript. Now if we wanted to add an attribute, okay, any attribute at all, in this case we'll just add a title, so we'll say li.setAttribute, and let's say we want to add a title, and the title will be new item, and save, and now you can see it has a title attribute of new item. Alright, so we just constructed this element with all these attributes through JavaScript. Alright, so what we want to do now is we want to add a text node, so we want something inside of the li. So to do that, let's say create text node, we'll say create text node and append, okay, because we need to append it. So we're going to say li.appendChild. Okay, append child just means you want to put something inside of something. So we want to append in here, and we want to append a text node. Now to create a text node, we use document.createTextNode. Alright, and then here is the text we want to put, which I'm just going to say hello world. Now if you want to, you could put this inside of a variable right here, and then put the variable inside of append child. If you wanted to do that, you could do that. But let's save that, and now you can see that hello world is inside the li. Alright, now I'm gonna get to the link afterwards. Right now I just want to put the list item, put what we have in here. So to do that, we're gonna do, let's say, append li as child to ul. So we're going to say document dot, let's see, we'll do query selector, so query selector ul, or we'll do ul.collection, it has a class of collection, and then we're going to do dot append child again, and we want to append the li. So let's save, and now you can see that we have a list item at the end here of hello world. Okay, now as it is, there's no X, there's no link here. We have to create that and append that to the list item. So let's go up, let's see, we'll go right here, and let's say create new link element. So we'll create a variable called link. Now notice I'm using const, and it's fine because we're not reassigning these variables, okay? We're adding stuff to them, like classes and IDs and stuff. We're running methods and properties on them, but we're not actually redeclaring it, so it's fine to use const here. So let's say equals document dot, again, we're going to create an element. This time we're going to create an a tag, a link. let's add the classes we need, because if we look at the HTML, the link has a class of delete item and secondary content. So let's go ahead and copy that, and we're going to put that down here. We're going to say link dot class name equals, and then paste that in. All right, and then if we look at the HTML again, we just want to insert this. Okay, there's no text node inside this link, so what we'll do is just use inner HTML to put this in. So what I'll do is copy this, and then we'll take, let's say, add icon HTML. We'll say link dot inner HTML equals, and then we'll go ahead and paste that in. All right, now all we need to do is append this link into the LI. So we can simply say LI, let's put a comment here. So append link into LI. So LI append child, and we'll put in link. All right, so let's save it. And now you can see we have our X. All right, so we just inserted this list item with this icon link from JavaScript. Now later on, when we actually make this into a functional project, this is what we're going to do. When we put something in here and we click submit, we're going to have an event fire off, and we're actually going to add that to the list here. All right, so this is stuff that you'll be doing in real world projects. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video.